Hi friends! Today I'm going to read you a story about our cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. Follow along with me. North, south, east, or west. A compass rose helps you know which way to go. Where is north? North? At the top of the map. North is above an imaginary line called the equator. Here's north. Brrr. Where is south? South? At the bottom of the map. Brrr. South is below an imaginary line called the equator. Here's south. Here's the equator. The North and South poles are very cold, places where very few things live. Where is East? East? Where is East? On the right of the map, where the sun rises. Good morning. Here is East. On the right side of the map. Good morning, little girl eating your cereal. Where is West? West? On the left of the map, where the sun sets. Good night. Here's West on the left side of the map. Good night, boys reading a book. North, south, east, west. Which direction do you like best? North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. Good job, boys and girls, learning and listening to the story. Here's your glossary. Remember, we've been talking about that. It's one of our text features. Here are some of the bolded words that were inside our text. Great job listening. Now you know the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west.